everyone. Welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone is frozen, stuck, or just not responding no matter where you tap, don't rush to get it repaired just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to force restart an iPhone, covering everything from older devices like the iPod Touch, iPhone 6, and iPhone 7, all the way up to the latest iPhone models. And if your buttons aren't working either, I'll show you another way to get your iPhone running again. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPhone with the buttons. Let's start with the older models. If you have an iPod Touch, iPhone 6, 6S, 6 Plus, first generation iPhone SE, iPhone 5, or an earlier model, the process is pretty simple. Press and hold the home button and power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Once it appears, let go, and your device should restart. Next up is the iPhone 7 series. The button combination is a little different here. To force restart an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. Your iPhone should now restart normally. Now, if you have an iPhone 8 or a newer model, there's one more button combination to remember. First, quickly press the volume up button. Then quickly press the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even if the power off screen appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. And that's how you force restart an iPhone 8. Or later when the screen is frozen or the iPhone isn't responding. But what if your iPhone is completely stuck and the physical buttons aren't working? That's where the second method comes in. Method 2. Repair iOS with UltFone. If a normal iPhone force restart doesn't fix the problem, you may be dealing with an iOS system issue. UltFone is an iOS system repair tool designed to fix common problems on iPhone, iPad, and iPod, such as an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, a device that won't turn on properly, or an iPhone stuck in recovery mode. I've put the download link in the description below. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and open UltFone. If the software can detect your device, click Enter Recovery Mode in the bottom left corner. This lets you put the iPhone into recovery mode with one click. Once that's done, click Start Repair. Then choose Standard Repair. UltFone will automatically match the appropriate iOS firmware for your device. Click Download to get the firmware package. Since the file can be pretty large, the download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, start the repair. From here, UltFone will handle the iOS system repair automatically. Standard Repair is designed to fix system issues without erasing your personal data. Once the repair is finished, your iPhone will restart automatically. If the freezing or startup problem was caused by an iOS system error, your device should now be back to normal. And since this method doesn't rely on the physical buttons, it can also be useful when your iPhone buttons aren't responding. Method 3. Factory Reset. Your iPhone. If your iPhone is still extremely slow or keeps freezing, especially because the storage has been completely full for a long time, you may want to consider a factory reset. Just keep in mind that this is the most drastic option. To factory reset an iPhone, open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Erase all content and settings. Follow the instructions on the screen to continue. But before you do this, there's one important thing to know. A factory reset will erase the data stored on your iPhone. So make sure you back up your photos, contacts, and anything else you want to keep before continuing. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will return to its factory setup, almost like you're starting with a new device. And that's it! Those are 3 ways to fix an iPhone that's frozen or not responding. Force. Restart it with the buttons, repair the iOS system, or factory reset the iPhone if needed. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the UltFone channel for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.